Do you want to create eye-catching video or any high-impact digital media that will absolutely mesmerize your viewers? Or are you worried that your materials might be outdated and couldn't catch up with the ever-competitive environment out there? Well, worry no more, because now you can create gorgeous videos, sales videos, explainer videos, presentations, slideshows, promotional materials, social media promotion materials, sales pitches, webinars, or any digital media you can think of with one of the largest digital media templates, memberships. Introducing the SuperPowerPPT memberships. SuperPowerPPT offers a massive, growing collection that you could use to create unlimited, unique digital media easily. Here are some reasons why SuperPowerPPT is simply awesome. Number one, the SuperPowerPPT library offers tens of thousands of digital media animation slides comprised of video templates, presentation templates, social media templates, slideshow templates, multi-purpose animation templates, and so much more that you could use to create all sorts of unique digital media. Number two, no need for expensive or complicated video or graphic software. All the animation slides and templates in the SuperPowerPPT library are customizable using the versatile and powerful PowerPoint software, or you can also import them into Google Slide. Number three, reliability that you can count on. SuperPowerPPT was started back in 2014, and we've been adding new assets to the library regularly ever since to keep pace with the ever-changing demand of the market. With the SuperPowerPPT membership, you will be getting fresh, new, high-quality creative assets and never have to worry about running out of creative materials anymore. Number four, unlimited access and downloads. With the SuperPowerPPT membership, there are no download or access restrictions at all. You will get full access to all the creative assets in the library, regardless of where you are and when you want them. Number five, commercial rights are included with your membership free of charge. With commercial rights, now you could use all these animation slides and templates to create various digital media for your clients without having to pay any additional licensing fees. And number six, don't forget the amazing values you will get. You literally will save thousands of dollars by getting unlimited access and downloads to all these premium animation slides and templates. Plus, you also get access to all the new assets that we will be releasing regularly in the future for a one-time, low, affordable price. SuperPowerPPT is easily the best digital media templates membership out there, offering unbeatable values. With what the massive SuperPowerPPT library has to offer, you will be spoiled with humongous choices of creative animation slides and templates that allow you to easily create all sorts of digital media that will awe your audience using just PowerPoint. This will be one of the best investments you will ever make. So find out more details below and secure your membership at SuperPowerPPT now.